Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We're just going to do the usual. All right, we'll talk about the technicals. Fundamentally wise, I believe we did not talk about this yesterday, or at least I forgot about it yesterday. I think we did talk about it briefly on Sunday, and that is that this week, in terms of fundamentals for the markets, it's actually a relatively important week. Because tomorrow we have the interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards, all right? And in these market circumstances, which honestly are not amazing yet, as most of you know, news like this will become more and more important, all right? So I will keep you updated on that. Today there's not that much to talk about regarding the interest rate decision, but it's coming up. And the market situation and movement and volatility can be a little bit higher and more unpredictable when that's coming up, all right? So keep that in mind, and just know that it's coming tomorrow evening in my time zone, and then I'll keep you updated on it as well. But for now, let's just do a full update on Bitcoin. In general, technically we are still bearish, all right? Yesterday evening we had some nice moves. We had somewhat of a recovery, but right now you can see that after hitting the 100 EMA right here, we're bearish, all right? We're just following these EMAs down into this support level right here between 62 and 61,000. And what I've told you always in my videos is that this is actually a pretty strong support level. But the only way we can actually hold that is if we gain momentum from that level. And as you can see right now, we are losing a ton of momentum, all right? Where we build up quite a lot of momentum over the course of yesterday, right now we're losing most of it. I do still think that there is a chance that we actually have some sort of bullish momentum from this level. In general, strong bearish momentum like we're seeing right now is actually not that bad, all right? You can better have very strong sudden sell pressure into a support level than that you're just dropping down slowly into it. And you can see right now as well, if you look at the market as a whole, the volume right now is actually pretty decent, all right? Volume over the last day has increased even more. So I do think that there is a chance that we bounce back from this. If you, for example, look at the spot CVD, so how spot buyers have been treating Bitcoin for the last 24 hours, that has actually been relatively positive. If you compare that with the sell-off we've had in the last week, this is the first time that has actually found some sort of support for longer than a day. Now, it doesn't mean anything if we drop down below that support right now. So that's also why the next, I would say, next couple of hours are pretty crucial, all right? Because what we need to see, and the only way we can actually see a relatively bullish Bitcoin and therefore a relatively bullish market, is if from this level, again between 62 and 61,000, we get a very sudden, strong buying momentum, all right? So again, you need to look at the open interest. If the open interest finds support, creates some sort of a spike, and starts to go up again, then it's possible that we actually turn bullish. And I do think that possibility is there for multiple reasons. The FOMC, or the interest rate decision, being one of them, by the way. But apart from that, also this spot buying behavior, all right? So that's just something you have to watch. Over the course of the day, we'll hit that level. If we can get some momentum from there, that's great. Then we can actually break above the 50 EMA and get some bullish momentum again. Otherwise, and I think that's the safest decision you can make, otherwise it's just most likely, if we don't get that momentum, that we do find some support there, but that ultimately we will just drop down below that and drop down towards 60, 59, and 58,000. And that's what I think is most likely, because there is a possibility we turn around here, but there's no confirmation or any indication of it yet, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.